Happy New Year, everybody. Welcome to 2023. So to begin the year, I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update, but first I want to say thank you very much for showing an interest in my makeshift videos about adventures and automobiles, often adventures in automobiles, sometimes. To begin with, there's the Wonder Wagon, which many of you are familiar with. That's going to undergo some changes this year. And then of course we've got my rare PT panel van conversion, which I did about 10 years ago. So this year it's undergoing quite a few changes for the spring. The air ride, new suspension components, drive shafts and the like. And because it's 10 years since I did this conversion, I'm going to be doing quite a few videos about that, how I went about converting a standard PT Cruiser 5-door saloon to panel cruiser. Then of course I've got this one over here, which is another 2-door lurking in my garage, two-tone conversion, but this is, as far as I'm aware, the world's only PT Cruiser Coupe diesel. Needs a little bit of work, new brakes to get through MOT, and then it's going to hit the road. Maybe do a couple of road trips, we'll see. Maybe I'll put it up for sale, not quite sure yet. And yes, I know, I'm one of those people that love PT Cruisers. Love the retro style, they're comfortable. These diesels were made in Austria, as far as I'm aware. So it's a 220 CDI diesel in there. I've never had a problem with mine. I find them super comfortable, reliable, easy to work on. Bit cramped in the engine bay, but what isn't nowadays, unless you've got a T4. So, there you go. And of course, there's going to be some updates about the beach buggy, which a lot of you came to the channel for. There's a few bits and pieces to do that, to round out that project. And that's been a lot of fun. The Wonder Wagon, Preston Tucker, the PT Panel Cruiser, PT2, the two-tone PT Cruiser Coupe, beach buggy, maybe a couple other things, and hopefully some videos of actual adventures will come this year, because I've been a little bit slack in editing those and posting those up online, car shows and all the rest of it. So thanks very much. Smash the like button, hit subscribe, and thanks for the feedback, and most of all, thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome 2023. Happy days!